What's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix voicemail notification won't go away on your owner smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your device. So to restart, press and hold the power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the voicemail notification issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now again click on this apps option and then click on this three dot more option on the top right corner. Now here click on show system processes and then go to the search bar and search for phone app. So tap on phone app and then go to its storage. Now clear the app data and cache memory of the phone app. So to clear the app cache memory, tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data and from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. And after doing this, the voicemail notification issue will be fixed. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset all settings. So for that, open settings, scroll down and here click on system and updates. Now click on reset and then click on reset all settings option on the top. Now again click on this reset all settings option here to confirm. So when you will click on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the voicemail notification issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the voicemail notification won't go away issue on your owner smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.